Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you what a .torrent is. So a .torrent is basically a torrent file that you can download. So if you go to your favorite website and you go to a game or a movie, whatever, and you go to a torrent download, that downloads the file. Now it's not like you're downloading the whole entire file. If it's 50 gigs and you're downloading a torrent, that doesn't mean that. That means it's just taking it from the website and yet again attaching itself to another thing to download the torrent. So, for example, if you download the torrent here, right, and then you use Real Debrid as your servicer, and then you attach the dot file here, then it's going to show up on the bottom here to download. It's like, things like that. You can attach it to other programs to also download the torrent file there. But that's just basically what it is. If you use a torrent file, you can download it and attach it to other programs such as Real Debrid and other things, hosters, training purposes only. But yes, definitely. Well, if you're enjoying the videos, definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And if there's other questions, just let me know. All right. Peace.